Hello, my audience. Good day. Today, one of my friends was showing me a test and a video from one guy they call Very Dark Man. Very Dark Man was saying something about earpiece, earpiece that is Allen Onyema, and he opened his mouth that Onyema shouldn't be in business. I did as if I didn't see what he was saying. I didn't hear what he was saying. I wanted to ask, but let's face the fact. I want to ask this Very Dark Man, this guy called Very Dark Man, if he knows about someone they call Ibeto. He's an Igbo man. Do you know who is Ibeto? Do you know who is Ifanyoba? Have you heard of Onyema? Do you know so many other Igbo men, in Nigeria? These men I mentioned and many thousands have been deprived of their rights to other tribes and to other businessmen for no reason. Not that they don't have money, not that they are not qualified, not that they are doing fake products, not that they cannot run the business or they are not growing the economy. In that the same Nigeria that you, Very Dark Man, is living. Do you know of these men I've just mentioned? If you know them, okay, at least you are hearing from me. Earpiece, Allen Onyema, faces different kinds of obstacles as an Igbo man, and you people can't even see the secret against Igbo man. You understand? Because of Biafra. Very Dark Man, do you know what Igbo businessmen face on a daily basis? Do you know the last regime, because of Igbo men, Buhari reduced the foreign exchange they are supposed to take from central bank to be $5,000 per one Igbo man. Igbo men don't go to market. They don't go importing with $5,000. When Igbo men are going for importation, they go with millions. Do you understand? They go with thousands of dollars and euros and pounds. I don't want to mention amount, but you should know, and you should know that loading up to shipload of container shipload, or even 30 containers. Somebody like, let me use an example for you. Orange Drugs is into almost 90 products is importing. He always go for shiploads. You understand? So if he has to do business, he will go with $5,000. That was what happened. Buhari personally, he pinpointed them because he put all his brothers and they were running the whole show for him. And we are here talking about Allen Onyema shouldn't be. Do you think owning an airline is selling pure water or being a car washer? Is that what you are thinking? That is what you think. That is not what it is. Let me tell you, KLM, Air France, Lufthansa, Delta Air, Turkish Air, Morocco Air, British Airways, just name all of them. Pegasus, Wizz Air, you don't know all these ones, but if you know them, all these people, many a times when I used to travel almost every week, every 2 weeks, I fly every time. I have had several times delays, technical problem, delays on the time to fly, and even sometimes I lose my ticket for no reason. Yes, if you know and you are living in abroad, you will see all these things. It's not new. Do you understand what I'm saying? So have you seen, you can see that so many things have happened. In fact, these airlines, they have more delays and even worse scenario, more than even what you are shouting Allen Onyema. Do you understand? All these airlines I've just mentioned now, go and confirm what I'm saying. So do you also know how many times people lose their luggages to this, their luggages to these airlines? You don't know. Do you know several times when we are coming home to Air France, we lose our luggage. 1 week they have not brought it. If you come back to abroad, you will wait for your luggage because it's got lost in transit or somewhere. Do you know about that? Yeah, you have right to follow it up if you know how to follow it up. Let me tell you one thing. Igbo Man has been suppressed for over 55 years in that country, and someone like you don't see it. You don't see it. Onyema is my brother. It's my brother. You cannot take it away from me. It's my Igbo brother, no doubt. I am not defending him because he had technical problem and that there was a delay. If he flies people with a technical problem, and if you ignore technical problem in your flight and it crashes, who is to be blamed? Are you going to fix him back? Then people will start to run away and say that he's not fixing his airline. Plane can have problem within 1 minute, and he's carrying human beings. You don't expect him to fly human beings when the aircraft or planes are having problem. So he's using his senses. You need to know how to talk. So let me tell you, if you don't know what to talk, just shut up. Yes, I mean shut up. If you don't know how to put your case very well, shut up. Yes, let me tell you, like you rightly know and said, judiciary do not work in Nigeria. Otherwise, if you have a case, if you have a problem, you go to court. If they have to refund you, they refund you. That is the worst scenario. They can refund you your money, or give you some part of your money. It is happening. Last 2 months in Britain, many British people traveling to the Eurozone, they had problem. Also, many of them stay in airport 24 hours, some stay some hours. Do you understand? And some of them went to court and they refund their money or give them half of their money. That is what is happening. Let me tell you, this hatred you people have over Igbo people should stop. Otherwise, Ogu will strike all of you. I'm telling you for the last time. This hatred you people are building all over, attacking Igbo people unnecessarily, Ogu will strike all of you. Do you get the point? So if you don't know what to say, you keep your mouth shut. Keep your mouth shut. Onyema shouldn't be in business. Is it you that will be in business? Go and use your pure water business and open an airline. Go and open an airline so that they run it and see how difficult it is. Do you know how many problems and obstacles Onyema faces only in Nigeria? Only in Nigeria, from Nigerian government, from Nigerian space. Do you know that? You don't know. You just open your mouth and say, yes, it's not supposed to be in business. Is it you that's supposed to be in business? If you don't know what to talk, you shut your mouth up and do what you know what to do, how to do about. Anything you know how to, go and do it. If you feel that you were going for business and you were delayed and you lost part of your business, it is good. You go to court, present your case. They have laws. You don't expect a plane is not functioning well, then you bundle people inside the plane and fly and crash people. They told you that they had technical problem. Don't you understand what technical problem means? You don't understand it? You need to understand it. So if you don't know what to say and you don't know how to present your case, you shut up. Shut up completely. Shut your mouth. That is what I said. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. The hatred is too much. Ogu will strike all of you who against Igbo people. Amadioha will strike all of you. Or Kwaye, that water in Benin will strike away, will wet all of you and swallow all of you. If you people don't know how to present yourself,